Motorcycle business, riding to work. Check out the video, guys. I get cut off on the way to work. Look at that, right in front. I'm going to show it to you once again in slow motion as I'm riding to work, making the left turn, getting into the left turn lane. As I'm approaching the left turn lane, I noticed a car, 2 or 3 cars up, that has their left turn signal on. But as you can see, they should have been in the left lane all the way. I slow up, and as I slow up, the person cuts right in front of me, guys. You got to be careful out there on the road, man. This is motorcycle business. Watch it out. And here's a close-up of the license plate. So if you live in Las Vegas and you know this license plate, watch out. She will cut you off.